tell you when it's done.
Thanksgiving meal ever! Whoa! AirPods!
Morgan, it's Christmas Eve. Are you excited for Christmas Day tomorrow?
To be honest, Mum, I'm not really feeling the holiday spirit this year. I haven't even bought any presents yet.
Morgan, not in the holiday spirit? What can we do to change that? I've got it. We're going to celebrate every holiday in 24 hours, including Christmas.
Okay, guys, it's Valentine's Day, and that can only mean one thing. I need a Valentine. And who better than the girl that pushed me over, told me I'd never be a crush, and slammed the door in my face? Tamsin! I've got a nice glittery balloon. I've got a box of fancy chocolates. I've got some really expensive flowers. And finally, a pretty little card. What could possibly go wrong? Hey, Tamsin!
Jeez, Morgan, are you trying to give me a heart attack? What do you want?
Tamsin, I just came to give you a gift.
Ooh, a gift? Okay, I'm listening.
It's a Valentine's Day gift, just for you.
Oh, Morgan, it's not Valentine's Day. Oh well, I'm not complaining.
Here you go.
Oh, it's pretty. Better not be the only one, Morgan.
Okay, here you go.
Ooh, that's more like it.
Can we share?
No, I'm not sharing with you.
The next Valentine's Day gift, here you go.
Oh, these are so pretty. Wait a second, Morgan. What's this?
There must be a mistake. And finally, the most meaningful gift of them all. I made you a special card.
Oh, so cute. To someone very special, a little note to let you know. To Tamsin, please be my Valentine.